Hi friends, Tony here. So today we will check a COVID data analysis app. So this is a Vue.js, a Vue CLI application. So it's a progressive web application. So it's created with Vue.js and TypeScript. So it has a responsive UI. So for mobile, it's compatible with smart applications. So so basically, so here we can see like different data sets. So these data sets we are getting from the COVID-19 India API. So like a COVID-19 India or organization. So this they are providing all the COVID data. So from the beginning to till April. So all data, all APIs details you can find in this site. So this is one of the API. So you can see the data format. So we have data in age bracket. So whatever the details you require to form an application. So almost all the details they have in the API, but some of the details are not filled completely, but some of the details are present. So with this application, what we are trying to check is like it will give what is the what percentage details are filled in the data. So that details we can check here. Like so basically, like we can see in this pie chart. So here a total data set with age is only 1670. So out of 17,000. So same like so we are doing some data analysis, basic data analysis on the given API data. So this so there are like this chart and all those details we are using Apex chart. So those the technical part we will discuss later. I will show like how to build this application from the scratch. So I'll be creating a series of videos from the scratch. So currently I have like 5 data sets here. So we'll add one more data set first, and how we will see like how we can add that data set and what and all bindings we need to do according to that. So as we can see, like we have pie chart representation. So we have a bar chart, we have a line chart, so we have column chart. So like different representations are there. So this all like we can this all we are using Apex chart only like for this all all graphical representations. So mostly like we are consuming the API and based on we are displaying the data in the way we want to analyze. So now we will check. I will just give a glance on the application. So this is our Vue CLI application. So it's if I go to package.json, like it's our Vue 2 application, not upgraded to the latest Vue 3. So this is the way like we are maintaining our components. So we have like header, left, main, and all the other all the source code. Different components are we have kept according to the standards, so the folder structure and all. So we are using Vuex to maintain the state. So as I mentioned, it's a TypeScript. So we have different interfaces and different models, everything whichever we can keep in a cleaner way. So we are coded it in that way. So what we'll do, like we will check one by one. Like from the beginning, like from the scratch, we will check from basically from the main component, like how it goes. So that order we will check everything. So first, what we will do, like we will try to add one more data set. So then we need to find out the Nest API. So currently we have like data from from Jan to June. It's for 2020. So we will add next set of data set. So one more data set we will add. Then that way, like we can code parallelly, and then you'll come to know like how the bindings are happening. So or let me see like which is the best option. Like either I should give a heads up first about all the components. Components and then add a data set, or we will add a data set along with we will go through the different components. So let me see like which is most feasible and more understandable. So I'll take that approach. So I'm winding up this video. So this is the first one. So just a quick intro about it. So coming days I'll be adding more videos related to the code walkthrough, how we can create all those details. So as I mentioned, it's a responsive layout. So based on smartphone UI, you can it will adapt according to the smartphone UI size. So media queries and all we have written. So we'll check everything. So I think instead of trying like more theory, so it's better to play around with one application. Like you will get more hands-on idea how the real stuffs work. So we'll catch you in upcoming videos. Please subscribe our channel if you haven't already subscribed. Thank you.